Hey guys, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this headband or air warmers, whatever you want to call it. I have made these fingerless gloves too. So you could make this as a gift, like a whole set. It's actually for an order. So, but someone else wanted ear warmer, so I was like, let me just make a tutorial for it. Nice, let's get into it. First we need a 5mm hook. I am using, which is what is recommended for this yarn, I am using Red Heart Super Savers yarn. Okay, and then you also need some stitch markers. I typically use bobby pins, and you need some scissors, and you will also need some yarn needles to weave in the ends like after. You might need a piece of paper to tally how many tally how many rows, because you will be doing a lot of rows. Or you can use one of these, which is a row counter. Okay, so let's get started. First, you're going to start off with a slip knot. That's how I make my slip knots. And then you will make a chain of 16. So 1, and I always use a stitch marker. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and then 16. And the 16 change is how wide you want it to be from top to bottom. Okay, so if you want it to be smaller, you can make less chains, but I think this is great for an adult size. So then we are going to be doing half double crochets. So you would yarn over, insert your hook in the second chain from the hook, then you would yarn over, pull through, and then pull through all 3, and that is a half double crochet. Okay, so I can do it again. So you would yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull through, then pull through all 3. Okay, so you would do that all the way down the chain till you get to the end. Then I'll be right back with you guys when I am finished. Okay, so I am almost finished with this row. I got one more chain left. So at the end of this row, you should have a total of 15 chains. Okay, so that was my last one, and I'm just gonna on my row counter, and then after that last chain, you chain 1, and you will turn your work. Okay, so then for the remaining rows, we are going to only make stitches in the back loops only, because we are going to make a ribbed effect. So you will yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through all 3. And you're doing that in the back loop only. So let me show you closer. So you would yarn over. This is the back loop. Right here. Okay. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through all 3. And you would just do that all the way down. So yarn over, insert your hook in the back loop, pull through, and then pull through all 3. Okay? So you would continue that until you get to the end. Okay, we are on the last stitch of the row 2. So you would just yarn over, insert your hook, okay, pull through, and then pull through all 3, and then chain 1. And I'm gonna count that on my row counter. Okay, so we're on row 3, and you're still going to just work in the back loop only. So yarn over with a half double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull through, and then pull through all 3. Okay, so you will need to do this for a total of 45 rows. Okay, so we already have 2 rows, so we need 43 more rows, and then I'll come back and show you what to do next. Okay, so this is my last row, so I am going to make that half double crochet into that last stitch, and then chain 1, and then we're gonna leave a long, definitely don't need that much, but you're gonna leave a long tail so that we can sew the ends together. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take this off too, and get my yarn needle. I'm getting my yarn needle, and I'm just gonna thread it through. Okay, and just put that there. I'm gonna measure it for you guys too, so you know, just in case you don't want to use this yarn. So it is about, it's about 20 inches, not stretched, but this is a very stretchy fabric. Okay, so this will stretch a lot, especially if you block it. I'm not gonna block it, but yeah, it will stretch a lot. So now we are going to get to the how we get this part. I can't think right now, I don't know what it's called, but this part. Okay, so you should actually weave in your ends from the beginning, your starting chain, so it will be just easier and you don't have to do it after. So that's just what I'm gonna do. I be trying to hurry up and do these because I'm on my phone and like my storage always runs out while like halfway through. So yeah, that's a thing. So yeah, you guys should donate so that I can get a new camera so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so whatever side you want to be the back, the inside is what side you are Ugh. Whatever side you want to be, the inside is going to be what you sew. Okay? Because you're going to flip it inside out. So, I actually want it to be this side. It really doesn't matter. I've been crocheting for years, and for the most part, I can tell what's the inside and what's not. So, okay. I move this up. So you want to fold it like this. And then the other side, you also want to fold it the exact same way. Okay? Then you would, like in half, then you would just insert them together like this. And then you do the other side just like that. Okay? You put them together. Make sure that they're even. And then you just take your needle and you just sew it together. Just insert through all four. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Just sew it. See how easy this is? It's really easy and it's really quick. And this is like perfect for Christmas. Perfect timing. It's so cold. I live in Colorado, so actually surprisingly, isn't it as cold as in Colorado? Colorado, I realize the difference between climate and weather. Okay, so your last stitch, we are just gonna knot it. This is how I do mine. And just like that, just to secure it. Okay, so this is what it will look like. And then you will just weave this end in. Weave the end in. That sounds funny, but that's it, alright? Okay, I'm really tired. I'm always doing these when I'm tired. Okay, so I just weave that in, okay? And this is what it will look like when you're done. Now you will just turn it inside out. Okay, and voila! It is all finished. It's so cute, right? So thanks for watching, you guys. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and follow me on TikTok. Yeah, and thank you as always for watching all my videos, for following me on Instagram. I'm rambling, so I'm gonna get off here. If you have any questions, let me know on Instagram or yeah, TikTok. Bye guys.